Graphs. Okay, so today it is a grammar topic, homographs and homophones. Homographs are words that are spelled the same, but they have different meanings. They may have same pronunciations or they may have different pronunciations. See some examples related to that. So the first example is fine. Now fine can have two meanings. So it is first is fine means good, like I can say I am fine. Another fine could be a sum of money which is paid, okay, just to settle out some matter. So I can say the student has paid a fine of rupees 100 because she lost her I card. So that is also another example of homograph. Another example is minute, or I can say the first is minute and minute. The spelling is same but they have different meanings. Okay, so minute means extremely small. So if I say bacteria cannot be seen with our eyes because they are minute. Another sentence could be minute, the period of time, okay, which is equal to 60 seconds. So I can say I waited for my friend for 20 minutes for the bus, or I waited for 20 minutes for the bus. So that shows a time. Another example is can. So the first can is ability. So maybe I can say I can speak English, Hindi, Marathi fluently. Or another can could be a container. So I can say pass me the can of fruit juice. Homophones. The pronunciation is same as another word but meanings are different. Homophones also may have different spellings. Now let's see an example. Whole and hole. So the first hole will be HOLE. The mouse ran into the hole or went into the hole. Another WHOLE stands for entire. So she ate the whole pudding alone. Next is HEAR and HERE. So if I say HEAR, then it says I could hear the sound of rain pouring down. And HERE stands for position. So the sentence could be why don't you sit here? That means position. So this is here and here. Okay, though they sound same, they have different spellings and meanings are also different. Next is KNIGHT and NIGHT, knight. So KNIGHT actually means a man who served as a soldier. So the example could be the king made him a knight and awarded him. Okay, or NIGHT, so it's a duration of day or time. So I can just say we went out or we came back late in the night. So that's about the night and night. Sounding same but they have different spellings and meanings. Next is new and new. So KNEW stands for I knew the right answer, means something that I know already. NEW, the baby was happy to see a new toy. So again, these are homophones.